So here I am again, guys. I'm going to try out these new power assist boxes from AMES tools. So I've never used one before. I did just try to run a couple of things. See this mud here? I did just try to run a couple just to see if I could handle it. It's a little heavy. I also mixed my mud up like I would with 10 box mud. Normally 12 box mud I've got pretty thin. I got almost as thin as angle mud, but not quite. But I usually run it pretty thin. But this I thickened up and made it a little bit thicker. So I'm going to give it a shot. Honestly, I've never ran these before, but let's see how well they work. Well, it didn't engage for some reason. Oh, I know why. Sorry guys. I put this lever on. See that little lever? So I had that little lever on. Let's try it. Take two. And listen, it's power assist, which means it's assisting you. You know what I may have to do is get my other box handle. This one's locking up on me. So let's cut here. All right, now I got a different box handle. Let's try this again. So again, like I said, it's, that's a mess. That's a mess. I don't know why that happened, but this, I guess that's gonna have to take some getting used to. That's actually a very tight skim though. That actually looks very, very good. I wouldn't do anything more with this, guys. I'd be sanding this. I gotta skim, touch this up a little bit. But this is what I don't like, is way up here. Way up here, you gotta put the box up there, you gotta push really hard. So I'm hoping that's not, oh, that's easy. That's really, really easy. I think what I need to do is come off. Let me try something. That's a mess. That's a mess. I'm gonna have a hard time with this, I think. A little messy. It keeps wanting to put mud out when I want it to stop, but that's because I've never used one. I'm sure, because I've never used one. And look at that. I got a full box again, just by taking the mud off the wall. Let's see. Let me try this one. This one's up high too. When I'm running it, it is flying. So, hey, you contractors, if you wanna get your tapers moving because they're not moving fast enough, give them one of these. They have to run. They're gonna have to run with it. So, but look at that. I don't like the fact that it's even a big mess. Somebody's going to have to comment to me and tell me what the heck I'm doing wrong. Because I pulled the wheels off the wall like I normally do to get that to stop, and it didn't stop. It's leaving too much mud at the end. See? See all the mud I have here? It's leaving too much mud at the end. So, all right, was I going to be a fan of this? I really wasn't sure. I really wasn't sure. I know it's not a big user. A lot of people don't use it. I'm thinking if you have stuff like this butt joint, this is going to be incredible. This is going to be exactly what you need. This is what I think this is made for. I can raise this handle, I can put this up here, I can get it ready to go like this, and I just hit the wheels, and I can do this. This is so easy, guys. That was so easy. Now, if I'm using my other box, I am like this, and I'm pulling and pulling, especially with the mud this heavy. That was a piece of cake. Not crumb cake, good cake. You guys have a good day. So I just wanted to give you a little bit of comparison between the power box and my old box. Truthfully, maybe if I took the time to learn the power box a little better, I would like it. But right now, I need to get production done, and I had to wipe a lot of stuff out with the power box. So So, but here's my regular 12 bucks. And these are high ceilings, so the one's about the same. So I'm done. You know, I watch guys, hand tapers, skimming seams, and they're going over them and over them and over them. And look at it. That's on the ceiling. I'm not even on stilts, and it's finished. It's ready to sand. So here's another one. Whoops. Hey, we don't whoops here. No whoops in here. And that is done. And that is done. And understand this. Right now I'm running this on 2. You see the 2 there? And I'm running this on 2. If I was running this and I had a bad spot, I would probably crack this open to 1 or 0 if I can really see the tape. Or if I'm leaving some bad edges, sometimes I can put this down to 4 or 5. But I found with this box here, this blade's really old too. I found with this particular box here, 2 gives me a really nice finish. I can just dust this thing, that seam down now, and it's ready for paint. So, yeah, I have less work with this right now because I'm not familiar with that one. You guys have a great day. Hey, if you really like the videos, subscribe. And if you really, really like the videos, please just share them with somebody else. All right, you guys have a great day.